Come on, baby. Drive it like it's yours. You can do it.
Good.
One time,
Thank you.
my uncle, he's like, you're never gonna get that in there. And my dad, and Ben's like, yeah, you will. My dad goes, just he knows what he's doing. He's like, he's only 17, he can't do anything. My uncle was like 50 something. He's like, I can guarantee I can do it. Blah blah blah. And Ben did it in one try.
Here, have Misty open it.
Here, buddy, you know, open it. You want me to open it for you? Here. You are all sunburned, Bob. Here, you're good, bud.
Here he goes, Misty.
Come on, Ben. Knocked over a coat.
He did?
Well, you
Oh, I see.
ball off at the home. Come on. Really, Ben? Seriously? Yes. Oh, there you go. Really fast. He smoked out everybody over there.